I saw a video. Then I saw someone insulting God. And I got angry. That why would a person insult God because of this? They don't know that life storms can come. And I've been through a lot of storms. I'm even still in the storm. I'm not out. Yes, Papa. So that day, I got very angry and I moved. The next day, when I was coming to church, the thing was still in my mind. So I said, what can I do? And when something comes to my mind, I don't want to discuss it. Because people can discourage me. So me, I don't discuss things. I do things before I. And I felt that number one, I have 2 scholarship schemes. One is Bernard L. Bernard Scholarship Foundation. This man is the director. You're the director, you're a student, I see we are joking here. And that's for university students. And we have the Oracles Foundation. She's the director. So I said, what you did touched my heart. That you decided to work, sell your own pen drive. It touched me. So I said, number one, I want to give your children scholarship till they are done with university. And it starts today. It starts today. Number two, I decided to get you a new car. And this is the document. And this is the key. Open that door for me. Let me take you. There is no, I'm not going out. So this car is for you. And tomorrow, I will make sure it is registered in your name before you go back to Kumasi. The last one is that from now, there is an amount of money, I don't want to mention it, that every month I've been given to you. Sir, why? You have touched the body of Christ. You have fought for the kingdom. And even though I don't have it, I know because of you, many have come to know the Lord. The little we can do, we will do it for the sake of Christ. The Lord bless you. The bedding come on after close.